What is going on, everybody? How's it going? I'm a little sick, but today we got a quick, small little baby box from eBay. It's going to be a little guess what's in the box video, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so we got a little box from eBay. This is going to be a guess what's in the box video. This comes from a gentleman named Jared W. Steen, Andover, Illinois. He's a great guy. Known him for a while. I've been buying stuff from him for years on eBay. He ended up acquiring some issues, in a sense. He ended up getting into a wreck in his 4Runner, his 3rd gen 2000 4Runner, SR5, and I actually bought some parts from him for off his vehicle. But they're not going on a 2000, they're actually going on a 97. 96, 97, 98, 99, 2000, 2001, and 2002 were all 3rd generation 4Runners. 97, 98 limiteds are a little different than, 2000 and 99 limiteds, and 2001 and 2002 are a lot different. Like cargo covers for the 2001 and 2002 are totally different than 96 through 2000, not 90, but 96 to 2000. But these should be a pair. They are for the inside of the vehicle. We're going to take measurements real quick. So box is 7 1/8 of an inch wide. It is 9 3/8 long, and it is 5 1/8 inch deep. What do you guys think is in this box? I'm gonna end up cutting the label off because I usually save the labels for tracking numbers and stuff like this, because I usually save the tracking number in my phone with a specific name on it, so if I have a problem, I can look this up and say, hey, I need to send it back to you or whatever. The likely chance I'm going to need to send it back is unlikely. This box it's 0 pounds 7 ounces. It's not very heavy. It's a very, very light item. It doesn't need a lot of packaging. But you guys let me know what you guys think it is. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. It's just going to be a quick guess what's in the box video. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Excuse me. Please go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And hopefully, I'll see you guys on the next video. We'll be doing the unboxing right after this. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!